Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be making a chocolate no-bake protein pie. Let's get to it. This protein pie will have a pie crust made of pecans. You can make it with walnuts or pretty much any nuts you want. I have taken a 3/4 cup of pecans, just some Walmart brand pecans, and put them in my food processor, and now I'm going to make a layer of crust on the bottom. You don't want to put it all in there, you're going to want to save some for the topping. I actually probably made a little bit more because I only had about a little over 3/4 of a cup, not quite a full cup. Next, I'm going to take a banana and I'm going to finely chop it, which I've already done. And I'm going to layer my pie. You want to thinly slice these so you can get as much spread as you can around the bottom of your pie pan. So gooey, ripe with freshness. Okay, so now I got my pie crust made. Set this off in the back. I'm gonna rinse my hands off. Now I'm gonna take 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. Set that off to the side like I said I was going to. And I'm gonna pour them in a mixing bowl. And I'm going to take a can of pumpkin pie mix and put it in the bowl. Then I'm going to take a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa. And I'm going to take 4 tablespoons of stevia sweetener. You can use Splenda or any other sweetener you want, if you're keeping it healthy. And today I am using Dynamite's 100% whey isolate protein powder, chocolate, and I'm going to use 5 scoops and I'm going to pour it in. And I am going to put in 2 tablespoons of silk almond milk. I'm using chocolate. You can use vanilla or regular plain. You don't want to put too much in to start because you don't want your mixture to be thin. You want to give it a good stir. So I'm going to go ahead and give this 2 more tablespoons of my chocolate milk. Because it's still really thick. Now it's mixing up really good. So after we mix this up really good, we're just going to pour it right in the pan. Spread it evenly over the pie crust. And go back to your pecans or your walnuts or whatever nuts you chose. And just sprinkle some over the top. I can hear my kids laughing in the background. They're down there playing video games. I'm up here making them breakfast. And here you have it. We are going to put it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours so the oats will absorb the moisture. Be good to go for breakfast if you make it in the evening. You have a no-bake chocolate protein pie. There's other things you can do to this pie. If you want to make it a little bit darker, you can add a little bit more cocoa. You can add different sweeteners. I choose stevia. And like I said, you can choose a different milk. You can use almond, vanilla, plain, regular, original, whatever flavor they are. But here you have it. The recipe says this has, click up here, 1,800 calories for the whole pie. So however you want to divide it up, divide it by 1,800 into that many slices. We've made, this is probably like the 20th one. We definitely love this pie. It's really good. So try it. I'll put the recipe in the notes down below. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe if you want to see more. And I got chocolate on my hands, so enjoy. Have a good night. If you think about it, this is kind of like an overnight oats recipe.